Hello everyone. Today we will solve a few most important MCQs on our Indian Constitution. So those who are preparing for All India Bar examination this year, this video lecture will be very helpful to you all. Okay. So without any further delay, let's start today's session. So the first question is our a member of the Council of Ministers, okay, can be asked to tender his resignation if he loses the confidence of, that means कोई भी एक मेंबर ऑफ काउंसिल मिनिस्टर्स को कब उनको बोला जाएगा कि वो अपना रेजिग्नेशन लेटर दे दे. Options are if he loses the confidence of which of the following: the governor, the state legislature, the chief minister, and the high court. So the correct option would be option C. That means option C would be the correct answer. That means अगर कोई भी एक मेंबर जो कि काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर है, सो अगर कोई भी एक मेंबर ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स हैं, उनको रेजिग्नेशन लेटर के लिए बोला जाता है टू टेंडर हिज रेजिग्नेशन कब? इफ ही लूजेस द कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर. अगर चीफ मिनिस्टर का कॉन्फिडेंस, if he loses the confidence of chief minister, then only he can be asked to tender his resignation. Okay, so in this case option C would be the correct answer. Okay, so now moving to next question is our the president is empowered to dissolve which of the following options: only Lok Sabha, only Rajya Sabha, both Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, none of the above. So in this case the correct option would be option A, that is only Lok Sabha. That is option A would be the correct answer because Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. That means Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved. क्यों? Because it's a permanent body. Because it's a permanent body and every 2 year क्या होता है? every 2 years 1/3 of its members retire. Retires. Okay, retires. So in this case Rajya Sabha cannot be dissolved, so the president is empowered to dissolve only Lok Sabha. So in this case option A would be the correct answer. So now move to next question. Next question is our who administers the oath of office to the president? Options are Prime Minister, Vice President, Chief Election Commissioner, and the Chief Justice of India. So the correct option will be option D, that is CJI. That means president जब elect होते हैं, before he enters his office, then he administers oaths to whom? The president before entering the office. Okay, he administers oath to whom? To Chief Justice of India. That means in this case option D would be the correct answer. Okay, so now on to next question. Next question is about if the president wants to resign, he has to address the letter of resignation to whom? Options are Prime Minister, Vice President, Speaker, and the Chief Justice of India. So the correct option will be option B. Okay, so in this case option B would be the correct answer. That means अगर president resign करते हैं, जैसे मैं as I already said earlier, if president resign, that means if president resigns, okay, resigns, then he gives resignation to vice president. In the same way, if vice president resigns, then he gives resignation to whom? President. That means vice versa. Okay, so in this case option B will be the correct answer. So now move to next question. Next question is if the office of the president falls vacant except to the expiry of his term, it is to be filled within how much time? Options are 1 year, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. So the correct option will be option D. That means within 6 months. within 6 months. That means within 6 months, new president must be selected as per the provision of the Indian Constitution. Within 6 months, a new president must be elected. Okay, as per the provision of the Indian Constitution. So now move to next question. The next question is the procedure for the impeachment of the president is laid down in options are Article 61, Article 60, Article 63 and Article 64. So the correct option is option A, that is Article 61. So Article 61 में प्रेसिडेंट का इम्पीचमेंट के बारे में दिया गया है. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल इन आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. दैट मीन्स पार्ट 5 में क्या दिया गया है? पार्ट 5 में हम लोग का पार्लियामेंट दिया गया है. सो पार्लियामेंट के पार्ट में आर्टिकल 61 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आर्टिकल 61 is very important article. Okay, so now move to next question. Next question is the fundamental right as given in the constitution are options are subject to reasonable restriction, absolute, inalienable, none of the above. So the correct option would be subject to reasonable restriction. That means fundamental rights कौन सा पार्ट में दिया गया है? पार्ट 3 में दिया गया है. ठीक है. देयर आर टोटल 6 fundamental rights have been given under Indian Constitution. So all these rights are not absolute, but they are subject to reasonable restriction, isn't it? Restriction, that means जितना भी राइट दिया गया है वो तो हम लोग को फ्रीडम दिया गया है कि हम लोग फुल्ली उसको राइट को एंजॉय करें. ठीक है. बट फिर से इधर कुछ रीजनेबल रेस्ट्रिक्शन भी दिया गया है. ठीक है. सो इन दिस केस ऑप्शन ए वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. सो नाउ मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question. If a new state of the Indian Union is created, which one of the following schedule of the Indian Constitution must be amended? Options are first, second, third, fourth. So the correct option would be option A. That is first schedule हम लोग को amend करना पड़ेगा. So in this case option A would be the correct answer. Okay. So now move to next question. Next question is which of the following article of the Indian Constitution provides for the endeavor of every state to arrange adequate facility for instruction in the mother language at the primary stage of education? So options are Article 349, Article 350, Article 351 and Article 350 Clause A. So the correct option would be option D, that is option A, that is Article 350A. These are all the provisions regarding the instruction for the mother language at primary stage of education. सब provision दिया गया है. So in this case option D. Sorry. So in this case option D would be the correct answer. So now moving to next question, and this is the last question. Okay. If a question arises whether a member of legislature of a state in India has become subject to some disqualification, whose opinion will be the governor seek an act upon? Options are Election Commission, High Court, President of India and Supreme Court. Okay, correct option would be option A, that is Election Commission. That is option A would be the correct answer. So this is for all today. If you like this lecture, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, see you in the next video.